Continuing our Gift of Health special, we're going to seek advice this morning to help moms be better prepared to treat their family's coughs, colds, and sore throats, and especially what they can do to help the youngest members of their family. Here's Christy Villa.
Ever since most pediatric cough and cold medicines changed their labeling to reflect that they are now recommended for children 4 years of age and older, many parents of younger children are now looking for safe and effective treatment options, not to mention just something dependable for anyone in the family who could be suffering from a cough, a cold, or maybe just a sore throat. Lisa is one of those mothers. She has 2 daughters ages 2 and 5 and knows that once a cough, cold, or sore throat strikes, it's a major setback for her household.
As a mom, when my little ones get sick, you don't want to see them feeling bad. You don't want to see them coughing and not being able to sleep. The quicker we can get things back to normal and get our schedule back on track, the better for all of us. As the little one spreads it to the sibling and then to me, I inevitably get sick. My husband will get sick. We really can't afford to be down and miss time at work. So the quicker we can get everybody back on track and feeling better, the better for all of us.
Arthur Goldglantz, a pharmacist, says Lisa is not alone and that lots of moms come to him with questions about what's available to them.
We're getting a lot of calls for people asking for natural remedies. A lot of moms have been calling us and asking us what can they be used for cough and colds. And since a lot of the regular remedies cannot treat children under 4 years of age, these natural cold remedies can treat children under 4 years of age. So we've been getting a lot of calls for that, and we've been recommending natural medicines for children who have cough and colds.
For me as a mom, I prefer to give my children something I know is a natural product, something that I feel comfortable with, that I can take, my husband can take, my kids can use. Natural to me is better.
There's a unique natural medicine that originates from Europe and is now available in the U.S., and it could be what Lisa's looking for. It's called Umcka Cold Care, and it's getting a lot of attention from American doctors.
So Umcka Cold Care is a natural medicine that's derived from a plant that was brought to Europe from South Africa. It has a long history of use for upper respiratory tract infections, such as the common cold, sinus, cough, and throat infections. So what makes this medication unique is that in addition to treating the symptoms, it also attacks the underlying cause. And in doing that, patients recover faster.
And the best news, Umcka Cold Care has been showing promise in clinical studies as well.
So the clinical results of Umcka Cold Care that have impressed me as a physician are the ones that show that it reduces the severity and duration of the common cold, sore throats, and coughs. So patients can go back to work sooner and students can go back to school earlier. Now the best way to take this medication is to take it early on in infection, in the first day or so. If you do that, you're likely to have better results.
All in all, Umcka Cold Care may give moms like Lisa a new weapon in their fight to shorten the duration and reduce the severity of coughs, colds, and sore throats for everyone in their household.
I'm excited to know that there is a product out there that is natural, that I can give my entire family, including my little one, my 2-year-old, that won't just mask the symptoms, but actually help to shorten the duration of the cold and get them back to normal faster.
You can learn more about this safe, natural, homeopathic medicine by logging on to umcka.com.